In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly edit images in WordPress. If you need to make a fast adjustment to an image without leaving your WordPress dashboard, this built-in tool can save you a lot of time. It's especially useful when you just need a simple crop and want to keep your workflow quick and efficient. To get started, open WordPress and make sure you're logged into your dashboard. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand menu. This is where you'll find the main navigation for your site, including your posts, pages, media, and settings. From that menu, click on Media. This section stores the files you've uploaded to your website, including images, videos, and other media assets. After that, click on Library. The media library gives you a visual view of all the files available on your site, so it's easy to find the image you want to work on. Next, select an image from your library. Choose the specific image you want to edit. Once you open it, WordPress will display the attachment details and give you a few options related to that file. Now, click on Edit Image. This opens WordPress's basic image editing tools. While this editor is simple, it's perfect for quick changes when you don't need full design software. For example, it can help you clean up framing, remove unnecessary edges, or better fit an image to your content layout. From here, click Crop. This tells WordPress that you want to trim the image. Typically, you'll select the area of the image you want to keep, and everything outside that area will be removed. When cropping, try to focus on the most important part of the image so it still looks clear and balanced after the edit. Once the crop looks right, click Apply Crop. This confirms the crop selection so WordPress can preview the change. It's a good idea to pause here and make sure the image still looks the way you want before saving anything permanently. Finally, click Save Edits. This stores your changes in WordPress and updates the image with the new version. After saving, your edited image will be ready to use across your site. And that's how to quickly edit images in WordPress. It's a simple process, but it can make a big difference when you want cleaner visuals without using outside tools. If you're making quick website updates, this is a great feature to know.